Okay, the way this one works, we need to find some more information. All right, if you go to the formula sheet, which hopefully I will, we're going to be using triangular prism here. Okay? We're missing some information still. Okay, we're missing a lot of information. All right, we have L and we have B. That's all we have is L and B. We need an H. L, B, and H we have. We need A and C. Does everyone see that? Okay. So, yes. So we're missing that. How can I find A and C? Well, somebody says Pythagorean theorem, and that's what we're going to do. Okay. So, going back to here then. We're going to say, actually, I probably should have done this. I probably need to do something like that, because otherwise you wouldn't know where that was.
Wait, is L 5 or 10?
L is going to be 5. You get that right? Let's try again here to make sure I get my variables right. L is going to be 5. We know L is 5 right away. L equals 5. B equals 7. H equals 10. And A and C we don't know. Okay, so everyone got that right there? Yep. Okay, we're using, good question. We're using we're going to be using this one, triangular prism. This is the one at the very top. Well, because we're going to use A, so good question. We're going to be using A totals. Okay, that's what we're using as this one here. And either one, probably those two I'm going to use. All we're saying for this is just separately, because the triangular prism, basically what's going to happen if it's a 3D triangle, you're going to find the area at the bottom and the top, and then the three sort of sides like that. That's what you're finding. Okay. Yeah, question? Okay.
Yeah, why would you divide it by 2 if there's 2 faces?
Oh, because the area, just in general, good question. The general equation of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, right? You're timesing it by 2, and that turns to BL here, because there's 2. So this is 1/2 BL.
Would it be wrong if I just did like base times?
Yeah, base times height's okay here. Okay. Let's go through this then, and we'll quickly get this one solved up here. Okay, I'm going to save this and we'll go. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's close here. Let's close here. Okay. So there's my equations here. Okay. For my triangle, this is going to be A right there. What's the bottom distance going to be? This is the tricky part of this one, which is Mr. Sadler with me. 7 divided by 2.
How did you get 9?
That's an A, that's supposed to be not added.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay, so what I would like you guys to do, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. I'll put the meters in there. Okay. And we said, in this case, because the lines are the same, we're going to say that A is actually equal to C. So A is equal to C, in this case, is equal to something. Can someone be brave? It's going to be Chris. How do you solve for A, please? Yeah. Great. So we're going to do this right on. So it's going to be 5 meters squared plus 3.5 meters squared equals A squared. Okay, calculator time. Luke, you be very quiet today. Can you do 5 squared for me and 3.5 squared for me, please?
5 squared is 25.
25, I think. Right? And 3.5 squared?
Is 12.25.
Okay. That turns to be 37.25. Okay, Jessica, you've also been quiet today. Can you solve for 8, please? What do we do? What do I do from here? What's the next step to get 8 rest up?
Square root.
Square root. Can you do that for me, please? It should be 6 point something.
6 point 10.
Okay, now again, the reason I call it, I knew it was around 6, is because the square root of 36 is 6. Right, so the square root of 37 is going to be just a little bit more than that. Good, so now I have my A and my C, and I have that to be 6.1. You guys should be able to take it from there. Okay, I'm going to stop and give you guys 3 minutes to do this. Okay, you guys should be able to do this from here, no problem. Okay. Okay, so yeah, all we're going to do at this point, once you get the variables here, is just sub it right into the equations, and that's that. So the area of the rectangles, and hopefully my diagram over there somewhat clarifies things. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Okay, so all we're going to say is for the area is going to be AL AH plus BH plus CH plus BL. Can someone please tell me what AH means in BH and CH and CL? Some of the numbers, please. Thank you, Bailey. Go ahead.
AH is 4 times.
Yeah.
BH is 7 times 10.
Yeah.
CH is 6.1 times 10.
Yeah.
BL is 7 times 5.
So all we did there is all those calculations we did before, sub the numbers into the equation now. That's all we're doing. Okay. John, now it's calculator time for you. 6.1 times 10 is?
61.
61. 7 times 10 is?
35.
70, I think you mean?
70.
Yeah, no problem. 6.1 times 10 is?
61.
And 7 times 5 is?
35.
35. And then add all those together, that should be 131, 192, 227?
Yeah.
And that's what are we doing with meters? Square.
Okay, like I did like 6.1 times 10, and I got 61, then I just multiplied that by 2.
Yeah.
And like when I added up, I just did 1.2.
Yeah, as long as you get 227 at the end, that's what I'm more
Yeah.
concerned with. Okay, are we somewhat okay? I'm going to do the eyes closed in a second. Okay, I want to do volume next. I'm going to pick on, who's my victims today? I'm just trying not to make eye contact now. Meg, I'm picking on you because you're sitting at the back. Can you do volume for me, please? Volume is going to be with a BLH divided by 2. Divided by 3, that is? Divided by 3. Okay, sub some numbers in for me, please.
6 divided by 2.
Is that right, Tim?
No, it's divided by 2.
Pretty good, right? Naturally. Okay, go ahead. Seven, L, I like, yeah. H is 10 divided, that's what I got. Okay, all I did for that, right, is I used the equation over here, guys, please. All right. All I do is I use the equation over here and slip it in there. So 7 times 5 is 35 times 10 is 350, divided by 2 is 175 meters cubed. Okay. You got that right? Okay. Good. Okay. It's time for me to start yelling. I'm going to start yelling now. Stop recording and do things. Okay, everyone put their head